Hi friends, I'm so happy to talk about joy journals with you. I want you to practice writing your joys two different ways. You can decide how to do this. The only thing I ask is that you remember the quotation marks, the commas, capital letters, and periods. Write about 3 things you did to make yourself happy today. So every day I want you to do this, okay? And I'm going to do it too, so when we meet together we can share our joys, okay? So option number 1, Ms. Langlet said, now notice I have a comma here and a quotation marks, capital T. Today I made myself happy by gathering all our 3rd grade lessons together, comma, feeding Mrs. Wobblebottom, comma, and telling my 3rd grade friends to kiss their brains, exclamation mark, quotation marks. Okay, so before I go on, I just want to highlight the things I'll be looking for. So capital letter at the beginning of a sentence, comma before the quotation marks, capital letter at the beginning of a sentence, comma in between your list of 3 things that made you happy, the word and before the last one, an end point and quotation marks. Okay, so in that first one, that's what I'll look for. Okay, now option number 2 says quotation, capital letter. Today I made myself happy by writing a letter to my best friend, comma, going for a walk, comma, the word and, telling my son a joke, period and quotation marks, said Ms. Langlet, and a period. Okay, so we did practice option 1 many times this year, so challenge yourself. Maybe try option number 2. Okay, it's not that hard. You just have to remember that there's actually an end point at the end of a sentence when you're speaking, and then another end point at the end of the entire sentence. Okay, all right, so I'll show you an example. This is my joy journal, and I decided to start on a fresh page because I thought it feels like a brand new school year. It's so strange. Anyways, here we go. April 2nd, 2020, and we want to make sure to always put the date. Okay, quotation. Today I made myself happy by making this joy journal video, comma, cutting out hearts to make a heart for hope window art. And I put quotation around this because this is actually the title of an art project, comma, and reading a good book to my daughter, period, quotation marks, said Ms. Langlet, with a period. Okay, I'm hoping we can all get together and share some joys. Guys, please kiss your brain and start thinking of those happy things that you're doing for yourself. Okay? Bye-bye.